Hello, Shark Scholars. So today I want to just take a moment to make a video about what is in the prize bin because I know a lot of you are going to ask me, Mrs. Bisson, can I see, can I see, can I see? And so I decided that this might be the best way to show you what's in the prize bin so that you can get a close-up without you having to worry about getting up and asking during instructions. So let's get started with our prize bin unboxing. The first thing that we have is some Matchbox cars. And I'm actually going to be taking these out of the box so that they fit in our treasure chest. And you can see that there is an array of colors that you can choose from and styles of car. I am not a super extensive car person, so I don't know the names of all these cars, but I think that you might be able to. I'm going to leave this up here for just a minute. Give you a close-up so you can see. All right, so those are the cars that will be in the prize bin. I'm also going to leave the things that were already in there from last year in there. So if you've had an opportunity to look in the treasure chest already, those things will be in there as well. I think somebody already chose the last fidget that was in there, and also the temporary tattoo that was in there. Okay, so we have lots of really cool stuff. So we have some temporary tattoos, and I'm just going to open this because I have to put it in the treasure chest anyways. I'm super excited. All right, let's see what we have. Ooh, we have sharks. Very fitting because we are sharks, but these are super cute. So in the prize bin, you'll be able to pick one page. Okay, so if you earn the prize bin, then you'll be able to pick one page. Okay, so we have sharks, we have some animals, we have space, that's pretty cool, dinosaurs. Okay, my screen went off, there we go. Robots, that's pretty fun. School bus, some vehicles, it looks like. Oh, that's a bicycle seat, I think. I'm not sure. You're going to have to figure that out. All right. A little pirate theme. Pretty cool. More dinosaurs. Looks like it might be Land Before Time. Some clowns. Terrifying. All right. And space themed. Aliens. This one's super cool. These look like the Monster Inc. monsters, actually, I think, but I'm not. I think it's just kind of like resembles them. Oh, I love this one. Science and school themed. Very cool. The Einstein E equals MC squared. We've got a little book pack there. So these are all the temporary tattoos that are available. Then we have this really cool thing of fidgets. This is a little maze game that we have there. Not entirely, oh, I don't know. It's like a little, I don't know. I'm not sure, but it looks exciting. Oh, he's a little frustrated, isn't he? Maybe a little bit frustrated. This is cute. This is like a little Rubik's Cube, functional, yes. There's a Pop-It, like the ones we use in phonics and in math. These you can definitely take home. These are yours when you earn them in the prize bin. A little slinky. This is cool. This is like a little fidget, but it's really quite large, actually. So that's cute. Oh, this one feels weird. Oh, my goodness. I think, okay, first of all, it's a dinosaur. And I think you squeeze, oh yeah, that's weird. You squeeze it and the little things come out. So if that's your thing, this is in there. This thing as well, this little sensory worm here. Oh, the texture. We've got a couple of these little spinners here, which is fun. And then a little squishy. These were in the prize bin last time. I bought a bunch of those. Okay, and then I am not entirely sure what this is. This looks like it might be another fidget of some kind. But it's metal. It actually looks like really good quality, so that's cool. All right, so there's one bag of fidgets. And then the last bag of fidgets that we have here that will be in the treasure chest. Open this up. Ooh, I like that. A little squishy basketball, really cute. Another squishy little creature. It looks like it might be a snail, but he's kind of vacuum packed, so he's not at his full potential right now with... Oh, this is a chicken. This is definitely a chicken. Oh, more squishy items. A little squishy thing. Oh, this is a rabbit. I can see his little bunny ears. More little worms. Panda bear, maybe. I'm not sure. Some sort of a... Okay. Oh, this is really cool. This is a mind teaser game. So this comes apart and you have to figure out how to put it back together again. That's really cute. Ooh. I want to play with this stuff. Oh, we used to have these when I was a kid. This is fun. Okay, so that's awesome. There's a lot of these in here. A variety of colors. And they get big and then you can make them small again. And they make cool noises. Another little mind teaser. What's this? Ooh. This is fun. This is a little fidget. Kind of like the other ones that were in there, except it's all, one solid color. And little marble fidgets. These are fun. Okay, there's a serious toy in here. A fidget that is amazing. I almost feel like I need theme music to bring this out. Dun, 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 dun. Although it's Yoda, it's not Darth Vader. But how awesome is this? This is like a super prize. Here's another fidget. You guys know what this is. This was in here last time. And then a blue and white one. Oh, this is fun. It's like a little poppet there. And then a little switch there. So that's a nice little fidget that you can use. Okay. Oops. Another little marshmallow guy. So cute. Aw, this looks like a little seal. It's adorable. And then another, ooh, I'm so excited. This one's in here without, oh, you guys, this is cool. I think it might be a key ring, but it also has really cool fidget capabilities. Like you move this is really cool. And then you can do a lot of different things with it. And it's got like these little rubbery bands on it. I don't know. This might be something that somebody is really into. What is this? Oh, some little fidgety things, bands. That looks like it might be cool. And then the last two things in the prize bin. These were in there last time. You guys know what these are. And then let's talk about the fidgets for just a minute. I do not mind if you have fidgets in the classroom. That is completely cool with me, as long as you are focused on your work and you are being kind to others and kind to yourself and respecting learning. So if you need a fidget to do your work, that is perfectly okay. But if you start looking at your friends and saying, hey, look at what I have, you don't have one, that's going to be a problem for you. Then you won't be able to use it. But I understand that, sometimes we need something to help us along, and that is perfectly okay. I don't mind, as long as you're being safe and you're being respectful and you are still engaged in learning. So I'm excited about this. I don't know that I'm going to be able to fit everything in our treasure chest, but if not, I'll just put it to the side and you'll be able to choose from that. I know I do have a couple of scholars that did earn the prize bin and just didn't have the opportunity to get a prize out of the bin yet. So we will do that at the end of class after science during your break on Tuesday, September 7th, which is tomorrow. We will do that at 3:45. Okay, so 3:45, September 7th, which is Tuesday. Those of you, your names are on the board, you know who you are. You will have the opportunity at that time to choose from the prize bin. Okay, so you should know that. You don't have to ask me, can I go to the prize bin? Can I go to the prize bin? You know exactly what time. I will also write it on the board so that you can see it when exactly you're going to the prize bin if your name is already on the board. If you have any questions, raise a quiet hand. Miss Horton or myself can answer that for you. And I look forward to seeing you and having an awesome day tomorrow. Bye.